The Innerwell Gold Granite Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a gold granite coating. This non-stick surface ensures that your food will slide right off. Cooking eggs or omelets becomes a breeze. Plus, cleaning up is super easy. You won't spend ages scrubbing stuck on food. This 8-inch pan is perfect for smaller meals. This Innerwell Gold Granite Pan is also induction compatible. It works on various stovetops. This makes it a versatile tool for your cooking needs. The pan is PFOA-free. This means it's made without harmful chemicals. You can cook for your family with peace of mind. The gold granite finish adds a touch of style to your kitchen. It looks good and performs well. Many reviews highlight the value of the Innerwell Gold Granite Pan. People find it to be a reliable non-stick pan. It makes cooking simpler and faster. While it may not perform surgery, it can certainly make breakfast less stressful. Forget scenarios where eggs stick stubbornly. This pan offers a smooth cooking experience. It's a valuable tool in your kitchen system. Pros: non-stick surface, gold granite look, good for eggs, omelet ready 8-inch size, induction ready, PFOA-free, easy to clean, healthy cooking, even heating, durable build, stylish design. Cons: assembly required, handle not attached, misleading description, used product shipped, burned up dirty pan, uneven heating, not truly non-stick, poor quality, started to stick, handle never fully attached. Features: great for eggs 8-inch size, induction ready, PFOA-free, easy to clean, even heating. Durable build, comfort handle. This 8-inch Innerwell frying pan has a gold granite non-stick coating, which is great for cooking eggs because food won't stick. It's also induction ready, meaning you can use it on those types of stovetops. The pan is made without PFOA, so it's safer for you. It's easy to clean after you're done cooking. The pan heats up evenly, which helps your food cook better. It's built to last and has a handle that's comfortable to hold. This 8-inch Innerwell frying pan has a gold granite look and a non-stick surface that is PFOA-free, making it suitable for healthy cooking, especially for eggs and omelets, with even heating and a durable build. However, some customers have reported issues such as receiving used or dirty pans, experiencing uneven heating and a lack of true non-stick capability, and having trouble with the handle assembly, suggesting a misleading description and potential quality control problems.